Here you see how much rain we're going to be getting out of this. Anywhere between 1 and 2 inches of rain seems very likely across the area. Winds are going to be howling, gusting to 60 miles an hour over the Cape and the Islands. That's why there's a high wind warning. However, it's just a wind advisory, which means the winds will still gust to close to 50 miles an hour. Wouldn't be surprised there's a few power outages along the coast as we talk about tomorrow. And those winds, by the way, will be ramping up tomorrow morning. I think they'll really begin howling by about sunrise, and they're going to stay that way most of the day tomorrow, kind of backing off as we head for late tomorrow night. And then on Saturday, slow process, but we will drop the winds down, and maybe even late in the day on Saturday, we'll get a little bit of clearing going on. So we have a coastal flood warning all the way along the coast right now, focused on this 7:30 a.m. high tide tomorrow morning. Surge is going to be about 1 to 3 feet. Another thing interesting about this, it's generating some huge waves offshore, but these are long period waves. There's a big gap between each breaker, and so what happens is they get bigger and bigger. So when they hit the shore, they really slam the shore. So you're going to be hearing about that and seeing it for the next few days as those areas kind of work their way through. So the tide I'm watching really is that one tomorrow morning. I don't think the one tomorrow night will be a big issue as the tide is just down a little bit more from that. So here's the way it breaks down then over the next 7 days. Tomorrow, an impact weather day with that rain and wind around. Saturday, it's a slow process to clear things off. I wouldn't look for too much sunshine, but maybe late in the day. And then Sunday, I've got a better chance of seeing some sunshine. I do have some nighttime showers in there, but this system coming through is really weak. I'm thinking more sprinkles than anything else. So most of your day on Sunday looks pretty good with temperatures in the 50s. And look at what happens on Monday and Tuesday. The sunshine is back. We head for 60 degrees. April springtime weather moving in our direction. That will be nice. The sunshine, always welcome this time of year.